Hey, what's up everyone? I am Coach Jay, a licensed driving instructor with Drive Prep LLC, and today we're going over multiple turning lanes. Let's get into it. Okay, I have a quick one for you today. We're going over, of course, multiple turning lanes. Hope you can see this. You have two lanes turning here. You have a divider in the middle. Then, of course, the oncoming traffic there. So it's going the opposite direction. So what's supposed to happen in this situation? This vehicle is supposed to travel this way. And this vehicle is supposed to travel this way. This is what's supposed to happen, and a lot of times it doesn't happen this way. I'm going to give you an illustration where I see quite a bit what happens. And I want you to be mindful of it, to definitely look out for it, because don't let it catch you off guard, because believe it or not, you see it more, I say maybe half the time I see people doing it incorrectly. So this driver here will hug it tight. When I say hug it tight, you mean this is the lane. They will travel this way. They'll cut it real close here, and they continue on their way. What happens with this lane? They will cross this line. They will cross this line and eventually get back into their lane. So I want you to be mindful that maybe half the time this vehicle is going to cross into it. So if you're traveling and you're trying to not hug inside and try to actually travel the proper way, just be mindful that this vehicle will get pretty close to you, or basically just about to touch a vehicle here. So this vehicle most of the time will cross this line and then cross back into their lane to travel on. So just a quick one here. I've been seeing it so much, I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a quick video of it. So this one, just to give you a heads up on what's happening out there. Like, subscribe, and we'll get more content out there to you. All right, have a good one.